Today, we're making a chocolate strawberry dessert that will steal your heart. Please write in the comments if you like these kinds of desserts. I read every single comment. We need 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of erythritol. Whisk them together until nice and fluffy. Now add the warm milk, Greek yogurt, and mix everything well again. In a separate bowl, add the flour. The exact amounts of all ingredients are in the description below the video. 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now gently fold everything together, trying to keep the mixture airy. Pour the batter into any baking dish and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Now for the filling. Take 1 medium banana and break it into small pieces. Add Greek yogurt, one tablespoon of cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of erythritol. Blend everything with a hand blender until completely smooth. Our base is ready. Now cut it into small cubes. We're going to layer everything. I'm using strawberries today, but sometimes I replace them with mixed berries. Little tip, it tastes even better if you put it in the fridge for a couple of hours. And a little kiwi for decoration. Look how beautiful it turned out. This dessert definitely deserves your like. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.